First, click on Text and add a heading. Type your first letter. Here, we will choose the Poppins bold font. Set the font size to 370 pixels. Change its color to red. Duplicate the text and add your letters. Adjust their position. Select all letters, click on Position, then Tidy Up. Group them and center them. After this, ungroup them. Now select the first letter. Click on Effect, then apply the shadow effect. Change the offset to 100, direction to 95, blur to 65, and transparency to 100. After this, change the color to black. Click on Copy Style and paste it on all the letters. Choose different colors for each letter. Next, adjust their position and shadow direction. Click on Text and add a heading. Type your text. Set the font size to 75 pixels. Here we will choose the Poppins Extra Light font. Change the color to white and the background color to black. Select all text. Copy and paste it to another page. Change the background color to white. Duplicate this page 4 times. Keep only one letter on each page. To download, click on Share, then Download. Now select all pages except the first page. Check Transparent Background. Download these images in PNG format. After this, extract your zip file. Go to Upload and upload all these PNG images. Now add each letter. Expand it to the background and adjust its position. Then flip it vertically. Do the same for all the letters. After this, go to Elements, search for Rectangle Shadow. Add a shadow, rotate and adjust its position. Your typography text is ready.
Thank you for joining me in this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. If you have any questions, feel free to leave your comments, and I'll see you in the next video.